Alright guys, today we are jetting a gutter jetting with excuse me, the water. The gutters have gutter guards on them. You can't just go up there and blow the leaves out. You can't just stay on the ground and use a tool. You really got to jet the whole line. That's what we're doing. And I've got my spinner nozzle on there, 5 gallons a minute. 4,000 psi, and it spins at a high rotation speed and clears out. As you can see, as I just nudge it along, it just continues clearing out the gutter until it should be all clean. And you can see the downspout, pure evidence of the gutters being cleaned and working properly. But this way it doesn't damage the paint on the outside. Doesn't damage the home because it stays in the gutter. Merely just cleans. See how it just nudges along there? It's just popping things out, popping dirt out, spraying all algae. Oh, stuck on a tree.